What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just want to give you an update on my container storage project. So this is a storage unit. It is actually a 40-foot high cube that I cut in half and turned it into a 20-foot high cube. Put a commercial door on one end and a roll-up door on the inside. And want to give y'all an update. Just painted it on this one. I did everything start to finish. I painted it, I cut it, primed it, put the door in, did the full work. So all of this was completely done by me, hands-on, and this is just a storage unit facility. And these here that I sell for the 20-foot high cubes, painted with the commercial door and the roll-up door for 20 foot, not finished in the inside, $4,000. So $4,000, you'll get a B unit that's just, paint on the outside, good in paint. And then I have a roll-up door at one end, a commercial door on the other end, and it won't be finished in the inside. It'll be for storage. You can get the inside finished, but those units are going for $4,000. And that's $4,000 pretty much like this, with a door, with a roll-up door, high cube, painted. So normally it's just the basic paint, the color. So that's what we got. I wanted to give you an update, let you know what we got going on. And so that way we can continue to get our hog on. We out this thing, Black Phoenix.